My routine was the same every day. Wake up congested, reach for medication, feel a little better, and then do it all over again. I was stuck in a cycle.
Many sinus sufferers spend years treating symptoms without lasting relief. The key is understanding what's actually causing the problem.
Once Dr. Cilento found the cause, I finally started moving forward. I can breathe again.
Call today or visit TexasSinusandSnoring.com. Let's break the cycle and breathe.